The high-profile legal dispute between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni has escalated dramatically, drawing in numerous celebrities and fueling widespread discussion across Hollywood. Scarlett Johansson, one of the industry's most prominent actresses, has now been unexpectedly referenced in connection to the case, adding another layer of complexity to an already contentious situation. The conflict centers on the production and aftermath of the 2024 film It Ends With Us, an adaptation of Colleen Hoover's best-selling novel. Lively starred as the lead character Lily Bloom, while Baldoni not only acted in a supporting role but also directed the project. What began as a professional collaboration quickly deteriorated, leading to serious allegations and lawsuits. Lively initiated legal action in late 2024, accusing Baldoni of sexual harassment and orchestrating a smear campaign against her. Baldoni strongly denied the claims and responded with his own lawsuits, including a substantial countersuit against Lively and another against a major publication that had covered her allegations. Although some of the claims were later dismissed by a judge, the core dispute is set to proceed to trial in May. Recent court filings have included audio recordings that mention Johansson. The audio stems from a conversation involving Steve Sarowitz, a co-founder of Baldoni's production company Wayfarer. In the discussion, Sarowitz contrasted his experience working with Johansson on her directorial debut Eleanor the Great with his interactions involving Lively. Sarowitz described Johansson in highly positive terms, calling her cool, calm, collected and confident, as well as nice. He noted that she was a pleasure to collaborate with during their project. In contrast, he portrayed Lively as markedly different from most people he has encountered in the industry. While careful not to speak ill of her directly, he suggested she stood apart in demeanor and approach. He remarked that almost everyone he works with tends to reciprocate kindness, but in his view, some individuals seem to overlook basic courtesy. Sarowitz also addressed the broader controversy surrounding It Ends With Us, downplaying it as simply a drama, and expressing that he was done with it. He defended Baldoni, asserting that many of the accusations were fabricated with the intent of harming the director's reputation. The mention of Johansson has surprised observers, given her limited direct connection to the film. She was previously married to Ryan Reynolds from 2008 to 2011, while Reynolds has been married to Lively since 2012. Johansson is now married to comedian Colin Jost. The indirect link through past relationships has fueled speculation, though no evidence suggests she has any personal stake in the dispute. The case has drawn in other major names as well. Court documents and unsealed messages have referenced Taylor Swift, Ben Affleck, Matt Damon and British actress Jameela Jamil. Swift reportedly used strong language about Baldoni in private texts with Lively, while Jamil described Lively in harsh terms. Affleck and Damon were contacted by Lively regarding her own version of the film, with emails revealing her frustrations about Baldoni's direction, ego, and various production issues. Insiders report growing frustration in Hollywood circles over the public nature of the battle. Celebrities and industry figures have expressed irritation at being pulled into the spotlight through documents and messages they never intended to become public. Some feel the situation has become an exhausting spectacle, creating unnecessary stress even for those only tangentially involved. The feud has also highlighted creative differences on set. Baldoni has claimed that Lively's preferences for wardrobe changes significantly increased costs, requiring outfits to be shipped to her rather than handled through standard production channels. Lively reportedly incorporated pieces from her personal jewelry collection and borrowed clothing from friends to achieve her vision for the character. Earlier audio from Baldoni, recorded before tensions escalated, showed him praising Lively's appearance during costume fittings, expressing genuine excitement about how she looked. The contrast between that early positivity and the later conflict underscores how quickly professional relationships can sour. As the trial approaches, the involvement of so many high-profile figures continues to keep the story in the headlines. The case serves as a reminder of how quickly disputes in the entertainment industry can spiral, affecting reputations, friendships, and careers far beyond the original participants.